This conference will now be recorded.
So today we will do some practical stuff. From where you can install the VirtualBox. So this is the link that is virtualbox.org. So in that link, when you access, so it will give you a site like this. So in this, you can see that. Just a moment. So this site will come, and in that go to download section, and here you can see you have VirtualBox 7.08 platform. So I had Windows host, so I will click on that. So when we click on that, there is a exe file which is downloaded. Okay, so this exe file you can run it and then install it. Okay, so this is the way you can access the things. So yeah, why is not coming? Okay, so this is the software, and this exe file will come to in download section. And now second thing, how you will download Oracle Enterprise Linux. So that is edelivery.oracle.com. So I'm posting this link also in your chat box. So when you click on that, you have to log in. So you have to account in Oracle site, and there is no support ID required for this e-delivery site. Normal user account with your personal ID, you can access this. So in this, if you type Oracle Linux, so all the version will come. So I will go with Oracle 7.5. Okay, so excuse me. So when you click on that, it will add on your box, and then when you it will show 14.1 GB file. Then you will sign the agreement, and after that you have to choose the ISO image. So no need to download everything. Only 4.1 GB file, that ID is V9 75367.01. You have to check it, and you have to download it. So when you download, so this software Oracle SSN DLM will come into the picture, and that download manager is actually will download the software. So your downloading will start in this way. Okay, so that is your e-delivery side activity. So let me show you the site again. I am stopping this. I don't know why it's not moving. So let me come to here, and this is my account, and here you can see this is 7.5. When I click on that, it will come to in download. So this download history will come. So see that Oracle 7.5. So you have to check on that. Okay, let me, you type OEL and go to 7.5. You have already added. It's saying okay, view item. So here you go and continue. When you say continue, in that checkbox you have to check 64-bit, and then you do continue. So when you do continue, it will ask for the agreement. So I received and accept the license agreement, then do it continue, and then you say download. So this exe file is downloaded, and when you click on exe file, so it will come like that. Then you say next, and it will start downloading the software. Okay, so just stop that actually, and uncheck all actually, and only check this one, last one. Okay, then go to download, and again exe file will come, and then click on that, and next, and then it is downloading ISO image. So this is the way you can download the Oracle Enterprise Linux software. Okay, got it guys? So I have already done that, so I'm closing this. Okay, and come to here. And now for software. So if you want to download the software, so we have a site that is Oracle Database Technologies. So this is the link I am posting here. Okay, so that link you can check, and in that you have Oracle Database 19C Linux. This, so this DB Home ISO image, you have to click it and download it. So you can download DB Home, you can download Grid Home also. So like that you can do that. Okay, and how to start VirtualBox? So this exe file you have to click it, and after that you have to check next, and when you say next, it will ask this thing. So you can go with next also, then click on next, then it will start check all these boxes, and then you have warning network interface, then you proceed with yes, and then click installation, and now install it, and these files will install. Okay, so and then when you finish, just say finish, and VirtualBox successfully completed. So like this your VirtualBox will come. So actually on my machine VirtualBox is already installed, so that's why I'm not installing it again. Okay, clear guys? So how to create the virtual machine now onwards? So just go to this. So here name and OS. So first you have to, just let me small. So first you have to click on create virtual machine, and in that you will type the name, you will type the machine folder, you will type the Linux, you will type the version, and then do next. And then you have to give memory size, so at least 8 GB is required for 19C. And then you have to create hard disk, so choose this box, create virtual hard disk. And then you have to hard disk file which is VDI, so choose that. And then storage on physical, so you will say dynamically allocated. Okay, and after that you can give approximate 50 GB, and this is the location where you have where you will create the machine, so you can change this location also. And when you say finish, it will create your virtual machine. Okay, so this is the way your virtual machine is created. So let me show the practicals of this virtual machine creation. So just click on new. So this will come. So here I'm saying 19C old architecture machine, and then Linux, then you will go Oracle 64-bit, and then go for actually it is creating on C, so just change it and go to D drive. Okay, PC D drive. Okay, so I'm creating here, and next, and here you can give 8192. So this next, create virtual hard disk, and then VDI, then dynamically allocated, then here you can say 50 GB. Okay, and then create. So when you say create, see, suddenly within a minute it comes here on the left side. So this is the way you can create a virtual machine. Okay, clear guys? Any questions so far? Okay, now come back to again. So when virtual machine is created, so we required some setting. So for that, what we will do, we will do some changes. So just click the setting option, and in first option go to general and go to advanced, and you choose shared clipboard bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional. Why I am doing this? Because if you want to copy something, so you have to do this option. Okay, and then second box I will go to system, and we choose optical and hard disk above, and after choosing this, pointing device should be mouse, so that your when you want to switch from host to VirtualBox or VirtualBox to host, you don't need anything, press any shortcut and all like that. Okay, so this is the two option we will choose. And then in system, yeah, use tablet, actually, sorry, use tablet option, you have to choose that for that purpose. And then you will go to processor. I have 12 CPU, so I'm choosing 4. Okay, and then you will go to storage and go to empty section, and when you click on optical drive right side, so choose the drive which software we have downloaded, so that is V9, this one, and choose it. And when you choose it, it will pop up here, okay, in the storage section. And then go to control SATA and use host IO cache. So choose this checkbox also. It will give the speed of your VirtualBox machine. Okay. So please remember this 2 points. And in audio, I don't want to do anything. So just take off audio option, and now go to network. So first we choose host only adapter, then VirtualBox host only adapter, then allow all. Okay, and then go to second adapter, which is used for private, then go to Intel, allow all. Okay, and then go to bridge adapter, and again choose allow all. So these three network I'm choosing, actually. So you can choose two also. You can skip private, because if you want to create rack, then you have to choose three adapter. Otherwise, one for public and one for internet. You can choose the options. Okay, so that is, and then go to shared folder. So I want to share my base machine folder to my VirtualBox, so that I can easily access the Oracle software. So that's why I'm mounting this Oracle software folder. So just check it auto mount, and then click OK. and then your this folder will display full access auto mount, yes. Okay, so after that you just start your installation. Okay, so just back to practical again. uh, So this is setting, go to this machine and setting is here. So when you click, go to advanced and bi-directional, and then go to system. So just checks box this up, okay, and then use tablet and processor. I am giving 4, okay, and then display, no need to set, storage empty. Just click here, choose virtual disk file. So where is is so this is my software, okay, and yeah, and go to SATA, use host IO cache, audio uncheck, network, enable it. So first is host only adapter, go to advanced, allow all, then go to adapter 2, and then go to bridge network, allow all, okay. Serial port USB, no need to say, shared folder, click it, auto mount, check the folder. So again, go to this, auto mount, okay. So now all done, okay. So this is the way you can do the settings after installation. Now back to again Linux installation. So when you start installing Oracle Linux, so when you start the virtual machine, then your Oracle Linux pop-up will come. You have to enter, and after that, you will get this welcome Oracle Linux 7.5. Choose the English option, United States, and then you will go to date and time section. So choose the date and time, and in that you have to choose location where you are. So I am in India, so I will choose Asia, Kolkata. Okay, whether you are in any city in India, you have to choose Oracle Kolkata. So now keyboard section, click it, and in keyboard section English US. So you have to press done. Then language support, come to language support. Then again English US, and then done. And then you will go initialization source where software section. So in initialization source, when you click it, your ISO image will display. So nothing to do in that, only just done it. And then you have to give software selection. So in software selection, you have to choose server with GUI, and right side you have to choose the packages for your Oracle installation. Okay, so you can choose network, you can choose performance tools, like that. You can choose compatible libraries, development tools. So these packages you have to choose, and then go to system section where installation destination. So when you click it, this 50 GB I have chosen. Earlier this was actually rack practical, so it was 80 GB in that. And after that you will say I will configure partitioning. So I will choose the partitioning, and in that you will click on standard partition. When you click on it, will say give the mount point. So we will start boot for 2 GB, And when you say okay, so boot will come here. And next again, for temp you are giving 10 GB. Okay, so according to your storage you can choose it. Okay, minimum 1 GB is required. Okay, then temp will display. And then third, swap. So if you have 1.5 into RAM, if you are choosing 8 GB, so do it 1.5 into 8. So what it will be? 12 GB around. Okay, so you can choose 12 GB. And then the last mount point is root. So I go with general practice, like I'm giving everything to mount root. I'm not specifically create a physical mount point like U01, U02, like that. Okay, so I will give only mount point directly to root start point of mount file system of Linux. Okay, so when I say done, so all the partition will display over here. So you can recheck, you can delete, you can edit. Suppose by mistake and you have given less space or more space. Okay, so that is, and after that when you say okay, it will display like that. So you will see xfs 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 for your partitions. And then you will done, and then you will go to kdem section, just uncheck the kdem, and done. And then you will go for network. So in network part, we will give only two IPs. One is for public, one is for internet. So here ENP03 for this IP. So you need to set the IP, and you need to set the host name over here. So I am setting host name like rack1.localdomain. So this is actually rack practical PPT. So I will show a different name for our batch actually. Okay, and then go to this IP section. So here IP address is by default taking 56113. So I just need to edit it. So when you click on that, in general, checkbox all two, and then in that also you have to move to IP4 setting folder. Here you can give the IPs 56.71, net mask 255.255.255, and gateway 00, and save it. Okay, and rest we will not go for private actually. So I'm just taking off this private ones. And yeah, for network, no need to give anything. It will automatically take it. So only just checkbox these two, and then save it. Okay, so this is the way you can do network setting. And security policy, you need to click it and take it off. Okay, and then you are good to go for installation. So this is how we choose the options in Linux or Oracle Enterprise installation. Clear, guys? So let's see that practical. So just I am starting this machine. So when you will start this machine, so this virtual box is showing. So this red box is coming. So just enter it. And yeah, so first it will perform a disk checking. So press the escape button, otherwise it will check the disk actually. So I am skipping it. So it is starting everything. So see that English box comes. Welcome to Oracle Linux. Then do it continue. Then come to date section. Go to India. Okay, and just done it. Okay, then keyboard, check the English, done. Language support, automatically check it, so done. And then installation media, no need to do anything. Then go to software installation, server with GUI. So here you can choose the option. So I will start network. I'm virtualization. You can take it virtualization client, maybe the compatible libraries and development tool is very important, and then system. Okay, so choose these options and virtual tools also. Okay, and then it will take some time. Let me back, actually you guys didn't tell anything. Okay, so first go to that date section, Asia Kolkata, then keyboard, choose English, and then language English. Okay, and then installation this, and software selection, choose network files, choose virtualization client, choose compatible libraries, development, and system administration tool. Then go to installation destination, so see that 50 GB is showing. Okay, then I will choose this configure partition. uh, when you say done, here in LVM you choose the standard partition. Okay, and then press the plus button, then boot comes, and then give 2 GB for that. So see that 2 GB comes, then again press the plus button, and temp folder. Okay, so I'm just giving 2 GB for temp. Excuse me. And then I will go with the swap. So I am giving 12 GB for swap, and then plus, and I am giving everything to this mount point, root point, so to 34 GB, and done. So all these partitions done, and then I will say done. So it will say slash tam boot. Swap will not show over here. Then you say accept changes. Okay, and your customized partition is selected. Then go to dump, uncheck, done. Then go to network host. So here I am giving uh, machine host name is 19C old. Uh, yeah, like this you can give 19C old arc. Okay, like that you can give and apply it. Okay, so when you apply it, so host name you will see change it. Okay, now for IP, just take 1 minute, just take it on. Automatically it takes this IP. So configure, go to general, check this, and IP field setting, that is manual, choose it manual, add it, and 192, 168, and 50.71. Okay, and give 255, 255, 2550, and gateway is 0000000. Okay, and like this you can. Oh, yeah, so like this you can give it and save it. So see that this is here. Now go to this, just enable it and configure, go to general, just check it and save it. Okay, so this is the way you can do the network and public IP setting, and then security policies, just take it off and done. Okay, so now you are perfect and good to go for installation. Any doubt, guys? How many had done that with this before? Okay, now just go for begin installation. So it prepare the memories and everything. It started the packaging installation process, and it will around have to take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it is a starting package installation process. So according to your RAM, according to your CPU, this installation process will perform quickly or fastly according to your RAM and CPU. So meanwhile it is doing this, so I will set the root password. So you need to set root password, you have to click it. Sorry, sorry, and set the password. So my root password I am setting, so it's up to you. So just set the password, done. And now user creation, I can say Ahmad, make this user administrator, and then again password. So this is done also. So my two things is done. So almost see that 1460 packages will install according to my selection. Okay, so please wait for some minutes, and then we will do some further step. Okay, so meanwhile it is starting. I'm coming back to document. So in document, where is, yeah, so this is the document. So when you say installation, so this is going on, and root password is not set, then we set the root password. Then user creation not done, so we will go for user creation. So just I did that, and after that it is starting packages. Okay, so when everything will finish, so it will display like that, and then you have to reboot the things, and then again you can accept license information. So when you click it, you have to accept the license agreement, and after that again you have a chance to change the network and host name. Okay, after that you will say finish configuration, then your this user Ahmad will display. So after that you will log in, and it will say choose English, and then choose English for typing, and then privacy you can take off, and then you want to connect your online account, no need to do that, and then you are ready to go, and it will display like that. Then you will get this red color box, and where you can enable the terminal and all. So this is the way you can install the Oracle Enterprise Linux. Here, guys. So almost 1000 done. Almost 1000 done. So now almost 13 plus 100 package done. So few left only. So just wait for few more minutes. So now 1400 done. Only 60 packages. Actually, I want to show the everything, so that's why I'm not stopping the recording. So everything will come in recording. Okay. So if suppose you are getting anything problematic, so you can check my session and then you can do that. So till now we are not facing any difficulties for doing installation of Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.5. So who had done 7.5 installation? Why you guys are preparing sending personal actually? Boss, base required some machine RAM also. So if you have 8 GB RAM, so you can't give 8 GB to VirtualBox. Okay, so you can give 6.5 and 1.5 you can preserve for host machine like that. So in 6.5 it's very difficult for installation. Your graphics will not come properly when you do installation of Oracle Linux. Sorry, Oracle Database 19c. So in that you will face the problem. Got it, Suraj? So only two guys reply. Me done, and yeah, only one guy did installation. Boss, this is 9 a.m. So just open your eyes. Till now, everything is clear for everyone. Actually, I was not planned for practical today, but I hope actually some guys asking about installation and also I switch practical to this and so that you can create your virtual machine, you can create your virtual box installation, you can install Oracle Enterprise Linux. So for that purpose, I have done this practical today. Okay, so it's clear for everyone. So now post installation setup is doing. So taking time for post installation setup also, and just wait for a few more minutes. And I have uploaded all the sessions of morning, two sessions night, two session on YouTube channel. So watch it, and you can subscribe, you can share, you can like, you can comment at least to support my channel. Okay, so because I can't see many people are only just reviewing, not commenting, not liking. So I'm surprised. Excuse me. So at least if I am supporting you guys to giving free workshop, which is cost approximate 20 to 15,000. Some trainer is taking 10,000. So I'm giving free of cost. So at least you can do something for me also. If you want, if you don't want, no need to subscribe my channel. Okay. Yeah, now generating intra FMS, MFs. Uh, So that is file system actually. It's generating. Now it's running. Now it's a reboot. So just reboot the machine. Hmm. Yeah, so check license box, accept the license, done. Then you have another way to come back again for this. So no need to do this. Then finish the configuration. Then it will start to give the username and pass setting. So if you want to go with Ahmad, it will go by like this, getting the entering the password. And if you want to go by root, so it will not listed. You have to type the username and then you have to type the password and then it will display the things. Okay, so yeah, so see that English next, take off privacy, then next, skip this, and then start using Linux server. Just done it, and this, just click it. Okay, and now go to insert guest, go to device folder and enable insert desk edition so that your machine display will come into full. So it is installing guest edition, so just wait and it will perform, then it will say in press return. So after when it finish you have to enter that and then you can your screen will be bigger. It's taking time. Now press return, so just click it. Okay, and then uh, just eject this and open a terminal. Okay, restart. So init 6, and now you can see that your mouse is free. If you are entering into VirtualBox or you are moving out, no need to press control key to move out and move in. So that's why we did that. Okay, that USB tablet when I was doing changes in setting. So root password. So see that my screen is bigger now. So just eject this. Okay, and then open a terminal and go to edit section, profile preference, and custom font, and you can change the custom font size. So I am taking 20, select close. So see that my font size is done. Now you say host name. So host name is this 19c domain. Then if you say uname -a, so it will display all the operating system information. What is your software, what is your kernel, what is your software architecture that is 64-bit and long, like that. So let me check whether my Google is working or my net is working or not. So, okay. So my net is working fine because net is required to install 19C RPM. Otherwise, you need to set everything manually. You have to create the user. You have to create the groups. You have to edit the kernel parameters. You have to set the Oracle hard limit, soft limit, blah blah blah, like that. Okay. I was forgetting the command actually. Yeah, so this is the command. So now my net is working fine. So this is the way you can check that, and you can check by browser also. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for the practicals of VirtualBox installation, how to download the software, and how to install the VirtualBox, how to create the virtual machine, and after that, what settings we need to modify, and then how you will install Oracle Enterprise Linux, how you will choose the option in an Oracle Enterprise Linux, and then you have to do the root password and username and all. So this is the way you can prepare your machine. Clear, guys? So that's it for today. I hope you understand today's session. If you have any questions, I am enabling the mic. You can ask it. Meanwhile, I am stopping the recording.